You search for how to buy shares of Industrie De Nora S.p.A. Industrie De Nora S.p.A. is an Italian electrochemical technology company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker DNR.MI, and this video is educational, not financial advice. You need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will generally need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker DNR.MI to locate the listing. Select the result that clearly references Industrie De Nora S.p.A. on CBOE EU to ensure it is the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the page shows Industrie De Nora S.p.A., the CBOE EU market, and ticker DNR.MI before continuing. Click Trade or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Carefully review the order details and submit the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or become a limit order. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution or queuing, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit the platform.